Ads everywhere, like a space mosquitoes. Let's swap them. We need to open Google Chrome extension Market. I personally use uBlock Origin. We need to find that uBlock Origin and need to download. We click Add to Chrome button. Then the browser automatically install the extension. Look at my YouTube channel. You can see a ton of internets there. Okay, now it's installed. And don't worry, we don't need a Google account. We just need to fix the filter. Then we can reload our YouTube website. Look, no more ads. Page loads faster. Internet is clean. Ads blocked. Website not declined. But we don't care. Ad free browser. Alien paradise. See you there, guys.